I've been living alone for a while now, and I think living alone during a difficult phase of life changes the way you think about everything. Because when the day ends, there is nobody around to distract you from your own thoughts. It's just you, your room, your silence, and whatever life is currently putting on your head. Some nights I sit down thinking about finances, the loans, the bad decisions, the money I should have handled better. The pressure that keeps following me every month because of choices I made myself. Then suddenly my mind shifts somewhere else. Personal life, relationships, conversations that never happened, things I still hope can heal somehow. What really confuses me sometimes is how normal the world continues to feel around you during all of this. Alarm rings, office starts, people talk to you casually like it's another regular day, and you somehow learn how to carry heavy things quietly without showing them too much. I think that's what this phase of my life feels like right now. Not one big dramatic collapse, just a constant weight that's sitting somewhere in the background every single day. And maybe that's why sleep doesn't feel like rest anymore. Because when the body stops for a while, the mind keeps where it left off.